Yo, what up with your boy Exquisite, aka Mr. Puddity. And I've got good news for everybody. So listen, I'm launching my new album, hey? This month on the 14th of April. So I want you guys to come through. There's a place called Rylands Resort. It's just after Borodale Brook. So just few minutes after Borodale Brook. So yeah, I want you guys to come through. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be military touch all the way and surprise guests. So please come through and show some love, yo. It's unplugged special. So I want you guys to come through for my album launch. And the album is called Teu Teu.